Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to discover artists on the Adobe Fresco application and their arts. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. After that, you should tap on the Discover button down below, which is the last option, and here you can find featured projects. If you are interested in any of these, tap on the relevant picture. You can check it out. If you would like to, you can check out the artist by tapping on its name and follow them too. If you would like to, you can show that you like this art by tapping on this thumbs up button. If you click on this three dots icon, you can either share it, and if you scroll down to the bottom, you can add your comment to it if you would like to. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.